Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. In this simple daily question series, we will learn how to use the question, what color is it? In 5 short dialogues and also learn some color names. I suggest writing down the sentences so you can review and practice them every day to help your English become more fluent. Ready? Let's get started. Dialogue 1. I found a pencil. Is it yours? What color is it? It's green. No, that isn't mine. My pencil is red. Dialogue 2. Hey, look at this toy car. I like it. What color is it? It's blue. Is there an orange car? I don't think so. Too bad, I already have a blue one. Dialogue 3. I just bought a new backpack. What color is your backpack? It's yellow. That's your favorite color. Yes, it is. Dialogue 4. Hey, look at this flower I picked. I think it's jasmine. What color is it? It's white. I love white. Let me grab some too. I'll show you. Dialogue 5. This ball is perfect for my dog Stewart. What color is it? It's purple. Buy him a green one too. Okay. Just for your information, the word it in what color is it can be replaced by any specific object. Let's check the example. What color is your car? What color is her new jacket? What color is his hair now? So the word it in this question, I replace it by your car, her new jacket, his hair now. And you can replace it also by any specific object. Okay everyone, this is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for learning with me and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please support this channel by subscribing, giving it a like and sharing it with family or friends so you can learn together with them. Until next time, bye now.